Hey guys, so this is the camera. I got this I think earlier this year, and if you know, I'm really obsessed with cameras. So this is where you put in the batteries, that area. This is where you put in the film. You have to open this little layer, flash, all of that. It's really easy to use. You just like, there's two focuses. You have to put batteries in. I don't have any right now, but there's a wide and then there's a far one. And yeah, this is like a photo that I took with my siblings. And yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's really good and the quality is really good, so get it.